Hi there, Paul Dembowski from Liberty Street Software. Had a question from a customer today asking how can I run a report on a single country in my collection, just a report that just shows the stamps from a particular country. And I think we may have covered that in a previous video, but there's no harm in covering it again, and we'll go into a bit more detail in this video. So first of all, we've got a demo database here. The user has entered many thousands of stamps from many different countries, and we have Middle Congo selected. So uh, before I run a report, notice down at the bottom here, when you select a country, it's going to look at the stamps from that country that you've inventoried and give a summary below on the status bar. So it shows you this, you've entered 6 stamps, one block of 4, total cost and total value. It would also show how many first day covers as well if you had some of those. Anyways, okay, so to run a report on Middle Congo, this is going to show the stamps the user has inventoried from Middle Congo, not the stamps from the StampManage database. There's a difference. The StampManage database is just a database of all the stamps in the program with images, and it can include stamps that you haven't actually inventoried yet. So just right mouse click, select collection report using, and we'll select the stamp zone with total value report. Click on preview, start, and it's going to show give a listing of only Middle Congo. And another feature we added recently is if you have a comment, a lot of users add really sometimes extensive comments on each stamp. If you have a comment on your stamp, it's going to add another line below that stamp in the report and show the comment there. Okay, so we've done that, and now let's look at a database report. And to do that, we're going to click on StampManage Catalog, and we have Guam selected here. Now, what this shows is all the stamps from Guam in the StampManage database. And if you've inventoried one of the stamps, it's going to highlight that right here. So to run a report on the Guam stamp database, right mouse click, select database report using stamp checklist, preview, start, and what it's done here is it's created a checklist, and that's 2 that we've already inventoried that we already own are going to be already checked off. Now another recently added feature is the table of contents, and it's not so apparent in this report. But what it's going to do is if you run a report that is grouped by country, for example, it's going to list each country in the table of contents along with the page where it can be found. If you're interacting with the report online in preview or PDF format, simply clicking on that particular country is going to take you to the start of that country's stamps. So, okay, that's a brief overview of how to run a report on a particular country. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel when you get a chance. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.